I'm Dr. David Little from San Antonio, Texas, and I teach a lot on implant dentistry, and we do a lot of edentulous solutions for patients in my practice. And when we can offer something like FTX that gives them a fixed solution that takes less chair time and it's easier for us to process. For example, when I do a lot of all-on 4, 5, 6 screw retain restorations, I have a technician come chairside and put it in. And so when I do that, it normally takes them about an hour and a half to prepare the restoration to sit in the patient's mouth. It's taken my technician now probably 30 minutes now to do that. So it's a huge savings in time. And also the cost of this too, when you look at it, without the screws and other things that go with it, it does reduce costs too. So I think it can be a really cost-effective solution too. It has a lot of benefits. One of the benefits that I've seen greatly is that if you have a all-on whatever screw retain restoration and an implant fails, well, now that patient's looking at having to replace the entire frame and redo the restoration. Now what I can do is I can go in and put another implant where they lost that. And now, instead of changing the whole frame, I modify that frame and attach it to the FTX system. So now they have a combination of screw retain and the FTX. And as a dentist, I look like a hero because now they just had to pay for one implant and one solution versus an entire new prosthesis. So that's another big benefit that I've seen that's doing this. So combination cases, another good thing where you can use. One of the limitations, and there is a limitation of 20 degrees of angle. So I've done cases where if I had to do the 30-degree angles in the posterior, I would do that screw retain, but I would use the FTX abutments in the anterior so that you get the aesthetic benefit of not having screws coming through it, and you can make it a really nice result as well.